WZRELB 1500W 24V DC to 120V AC pure sine wave inverter generator, as good as grid power, 1500W continuous power, 3000W peak power, with LED displays for DC-AC voltages. Dual US outlets. Fully safety protections. Over voltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, overheat, polarity reverse protection, fuse, ground protection from leakage of electricity. Build-in intelligent cooling fan works according to temp and not load. Prolongs battery life. It is fairly quiet and only cycles on when the temp is over 51 degrees Celsius. Monitor power usage with no effort. LED display for both DC volt and AC volt, which makes the power usage clear for users. High-quality pure copper inductance, filter the waveform, ensure the true pure sine wave AC output, safeguard your equipment. All big imported MOSFETs with strong driving capacity. Top reviews from the United States. It's so simple even a Democratic could install it. Color on 120-volt connectors could be make better, works awesome. NEC color code is not used, however, you can read or YouTube it to make sure on your connections. I installed it, no worries or trouble, and I graduated 3 grade. Been off-grid and off my rocker for a long time. All bull aside, it's a great deal with good tech support.